Let's go.
Okay.
Welcome to the Toy Kid.
Oh yeah, thank you. Welcome to the Joye Kids, and we got Eddie Trackmaster, and the toy that show it to us.
You hot? Oh, they're cool.
Yeah, they're really cool. Now, show us these other things that you have over here. These other toys, Ben.
And this is James.
James, good job.
He's number 5 red engine.
Wow.
And Pussy.
He's a number 6 engine.
Oh, wow.
And Toby engine.
Wait, better say Emily, okay?
Celery engine.
That's Emily engine.
Emily
Wow, and tell me why
engine.
you like Thomas so much, guys.
Because he is blue. That's what they call like blue, like Elsa, like from Frozen. And he's very awesome and cool. He's number 1 at engine. Just like he's very awesome and very cool.
Wow, that's cool, guys. So tell everybody to go to Facebook and to look you guys up, okay? The Joye Kids, and to follow you and subscribe to your YouTube. Tell everybody subscribe to my YouTube.
Subscribe to my YouTube.
All right. Say